Our bad.
There we go. Again.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Oh yeah, this is part 2 because it crapped out on us. So we're mixing all the stuff and getting all the cup of milk. Alright. Shake the milk.
Also making sure that's not dying.
Yeah.
Just watch like the light that's like right there.
Yes.
If it goes like drinking red or
pouring
something.
the milk.
Okay.
There's half
that's
a
a
cup.
Okay.
And that's 1 cup. Alright. And then we put the milk away. Nope. Then whatever. And then milk away. And this is dirty, so put it away. So, and then we stick.
Where's the other thing? Where's the other
This is when we start.
blender thing?
This is Tori asking. This is Tori asking her mom where the blender thing is.
No, not the whole blender.
Doesn't this look tasty? Where's the blender thing?
Can't find it. Okay, there's one.
Oh, that sucks. Remember to have 2 of these. Yeah. Yeah. Be prepared before you do each recipe. Eggs. And sorry, excuse me. Okay, so there's the blender thing. Show the blender. There's the blender thing. And then we're gonna make loud noises with this.
While the fork is not in there.
This is garbage. Sneak it next.
Don't text me. Okay. Plug it in first.
Plug it in.
It's all good.
Turn it off
Before you plug it in.
Yep. Now you
Quiet! Okay.
and go. Watch that mixing go. Music video.
Not bad. Did I get any on the camera?
Yeah, of course.
Does it taste good?
Tastes like shit. But it's good. It's good shit.
That's some good shit. Okay,
Alright, now you set the oven for 350 degrees. I don't know why I just left the measurement. Oh great, my stomach's gonna be on national television. It's YouTube. It's not national. And Christmas. Loud noises means you're doing a good job. Alright, so you get a pan, and then you scoop the deliciousness.
you get a pan, and then you get some ham.
And then you get to the ham. Or not. You know what? I'm gonna grab it.
Not bad.
Ham.
Hold it close to the thing.
Pam. P-A-M. Remember this shit.
Oh yeah. Alright.
And we Pam it. Tori's a pro, so she knows how to do it fast. What?
No, that's
We'll
why I was
not.
slowly spraying it instead of just like waving it around.
Remember not to spray it on the tiles. Alright, now we've
Life's
scooped
amazing.
the crap
No.
with not a fork. Because that is a bad idea. It's a spoon.
Grab a spoon, another spoon for you.
Yeah. Okay, so you grab the tasty goodness and you put it
Just plop it on there, man.
You can't see it.
Yeah, you can't.
Close that.
Okay, wait, make sure, yeah, that's not so.
Okay. And then you take that taste of goodness and you just plop it. Plop it right in there. I just got it all over the counter. Go for the same hole. If you're dirty,
guys too.
Exactly. If you're bro code, don't go for the same hole. That's just gross.
My mom's singing.
Your mother is singing. I'll take a stroll in the sun. That's not me singing. I'm saying worse than that, but you know.
Okay, you'll have to put it in the next one.
I'm just gonna flip that up and scooch it over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one off.
And we're still going for the scoop. And she makes it in the hole.
Nice.
Toris scores in the hole again. Oh, shit.
Stop doing it.
Oh, it's fun. I try to make this YouTube video fun.
I don't, apparently.
You do. You just like making funny noises.
And funny faces.
And I don't. Sometimes. In the hole.
No.
We're not done yet. We're still making it, and the camera.
We'll shut it off as soon as you put it in the oven, and then you can come in for a little bit, and when they're done, yeah.
No, it's have a finishing product.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said after we're done, then we'll film again.
Then that'll be a cooking video number 3.
I don't know. Can't film while it's all in there.
That's gonna be an indie video. Oh, whoa, that's
Yeah.
If they don't fit in all the circles, don't feel bad. Not everyone has a chance to fit in the hole. Alright.
No, they're still going.
Now we're preheating the oven.
Just gonna awkwardly wait till that's done. I'm gonna put the eggs on.
Take some
How much
grass.
time do we have left?
I don't know.
2 minutes. And my battery is almost dead. Great. Okay. In case the video dies, I've never done this. In case the video dies, we're putting them in, we're putting these in the oven. Right here. In there. On this. At 10. But yeah. And it's almost ready. And that light goes off. Soon. So, yeah. I hope it goes off soon.
Hi guys. Unhappy face. That's what I'm texting.
Okay. While it's
Because Brian.
while those are cooking, I'm just gonna grab the battery charger and then charge the batteries.
Oh, is it done?
No, it's not done.
It's still going.
A minute left.
That's the.
We should probably speed these videos up, shouldn't we?
Yeah, you should. But then we'll miss all the funny stuff. Like, hi guys.
We'll speed it up like a little bit, so it's not like 10 minutes long every time.
Yeah.
It'll be like 7 or 6. Sounds good. This video's gonna end in like a minute. What?
Let's just say my friend's a douchebag, and if he sees this video, I hope he knows it.
Oh, it's still going. They want to be cooked. Look how lovely they look. It's not gonna focus. Nope. It's not gonna focus. Okay. My camera doesn't know how to focus, does it?
You have to turn the thing look open.
No. That's not how you focus my camera. Oh, it does. It just very slowly does. Oh, it's done. It ended with my hand.